Hi everyone, welcome to the video. I am Prajwal Pradhan from batch 23B and I'm here to demonstrate my group project to you guys. So let's begin with the system that we will be using in order to achieve our automated home. At first, we are using ultrasonic sensor for car parking notifier. And after that we are using PIR sensor to detect any movement in the door or any person, and then we are using LDR right over here, LDR, to sense whether it's day or night, and it will light the system accordingly. And this is a gas sensor that will detect gas and give fire alert on the buzzer. This is the buzzer right here, and this is the blue LED that we have used. And this is humidity sensor that will read the amount of humidity and temperature on the surrounding and will give output on the screen behind. We'll come back to that later on. And this is our automatic water pump that will automatically fill this tank from this reservoir with the help of ultrasonic sensor used here. This is ultrasonic sensor, and these are some of the connections that have been made from Arduino to breadboard in order to achieve our goal. So let's begin with the system, shall we? Before starting with the system, I'd like to say that most of our goal or aim has been achieved, but due to COVID-19 we faced a lot of limitation while running with the project. So this is all what we have done so far, and let's demonstrate the project. So let's upload the code we have written. As you can see, it's not lighting up, but when my friend keeps it in dark, it lights up. So when you remove your hand from there, the light stops glowing. This is my flashlight. So let's talk about gas sensor. Right now the value is from like 50, 55, but when we provide gas to it, the value rises and the blue indicator and buzzer starts to give alarm. As soon as we remove the gas from it, the threshold gets lower and the gas sensor is working perfectly for now. Now let's talk about humidity sensor. This sensor detects humidity and temperature from the surrounding and gives output accordingly, but the sensor we have is not working properly and is malfunctioning. That is why it's giving a very different temperature and humidity value. So even though our code is working very fine, but the sensor value is very inaccurate, so we could not say about the accuracy of this sensor. So let's talk about PIR sensor. This is a PIR sensor that detects movement happening in this area, and when any movement is detected, the green LED over there and this buzzer will start to sound. So let's test the system, shall we? When I give any movement to this, it will trigger the buzzer, but when I stop giving movement, it won't give any buzzer to the system. So let's talk about our water pump. What this does is, when the threshold value is lesser, this ultrasonic sensor will sense the value, and if that is lesser, the water from this will be taken to this, and when it happens, the green buzzer and green LED and buzzer will light up. So let's test the system. So when the value is greater than the threshold, the buzzer starts to buzz and it starts to take water from this pump to this pump, like this way. can see the level is rising there and it's getting less here. Let me refill this. So when the threshold meets its value, it turns automatically off. As you can see, we are uploading our code to Node MCU. It's just gonna take a while, and this is broken, so we have to do this, otherwise it keeps on disconnecting from time and again. As it's connected and as the car presence here, see, I just got a notification on my phone. So this is how our system works. That's it everyone, thank you for watching the video. We have a lot of room for improvement, and again, due to a lot of limitation, we could not enhance the project as much as it was supposed to be, but this is what we have tried. Suggestions are always welcome, and thank you once again. Stay safe. Peace.